Hi all, in this video I will tell you about the user input service function. In fact, you will need it quite often in creating games because this function is responsible for pressing a key on your keyboard. For example, I press the key I selected and the script activate. Okay, now let me write all the code and tell you what it does what. Okay. Now I'll tell you what each thing does. We create a local variable with any name. I named it US, then I write USInput began. This is a function that is responsible for registering a key press. Then I use if then and I insert input. This time I write a function that is responsible for the key itself. Then I assign this function to the key itself. I chose Z. You can choose any one you want. After you have entered all this, you can start writing what you need. For the test I will write print. Print is responsible for writing text in output. Output. This is like a console in which you can see errors in the script and so on. Okay, this works great. Now I would like to show how to connect the key you press to the script that you want to activate. Okay, now I'll show you how to bind the script itself to a key press. When you press a key, then a script is triggered. It could be a hit script, a script for some kind of ability, or an animation that players will see. It's easy to do. To do this we need to create a remote event. In my case I will create it in local script. Then I need to create a script. There's nothing special here. Script parent is an indication of what the script was created in. In our case, it was created in a remote event, which activates our script when a key is pressed. OnClick event is a function that is responsible for activating itself after our key is pressed. Without it, you must specify remote event. If the remote event that you created is not in the script, it is allowed in replicated storage. Then you must indicate as you see on the screen. I hope you understand what I mean because it's important. Okay, now let me make a simple script that will be responsible for changing the color of the part material. Good, excellent. This script contains a script for changing the color of a part. This is brick color, as well as changing the material to neon. Now, when I press a key, my color should change to red and the material to neon. Oh shit, what did I do wrong? Why doesn't it want to change? I wrote everything as needed. Oh, yes, of course. I stupidly forgot to add a function that will call the script via remote event.fireClient is a function that is responsible for activating your script when clicked via remote event. Guys, this is important, don't take my example and don't rush, but check your code from A to Z. Great, it worked. Here. This is the base that you need to know about creating scripts. I hope this video helped you and you learned something new. Like and comment, subscribe so you don't miss a new tutorial or giveaway. See ya.